2 MLAs of Tripura may be appointed as state cabinet ministers. Among them, one may be appointed as deputy chief minister. To finalize the proposal of BJP, MLA Ranjit Debbarma went for Delhi on Thursday on the call of Bubagra, Pradyot, Kishore, Manikya, Debbarma. Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma has organized a hunger strike until death in Hatay Kotor from Wednesday afternoon on a demand of constitutional solution. On Wednesday, after an hour of starting the hunger strike, the former chairman of Tripura Maharaja Pradyot Kishore Debbarma left the stage of hunger strike for Delhi in the middle of his speech after he received a call from central government. However, no good news has been received till Thursday afternoon. As such, all the warriors of Tripura who are continuing the hunger strike in Hatay Kotor are confused and worried. Meanwhile, the LOP Animesh Debbarma left for Delhi with the morning flight on the call of Maharaja Pradyot. Likewise, State BJP General Secretary Bipin Debbarma went for Delhi on Thursday after he was called by the High Command on Wednesday night on the issue of finalizing the Lok Sabha candidate and unity with Tripura. There is a chance of meeting between the high officials of Tripura and state and central BJP. After the meeting, there may be a latest news between them on Friday morning or afternoon. Meanwhile, as per internal sources, 2 MLAs of Tripura may be appointed as state cabinet ministers. Among them, one may be appointed as deputy chief minister. To finalize the proposal of BJP, MLA Ranjit Debbarma went for Delhi on Thursday on the call of Bubagra, Pradyot, Kishore, Debbarma. However, MLA Ranjit Debbarma says nothing when asked by the reporters regarding the call for Delhi.
Bubagra cycle and fighting Dillo. A tamni bagger in Kabutan Samia, a Kabama Dillo Padinka. Ang kabu Delhi thana nai tongo airport of Paisok Paika Kaklayo je Chini Bubagra Mia je ko Chini hunger strike go Hatay Kotor je Kok Samani aro go kisami sa bini logi tongi chubana ni bagino bulu samu gabon bagina no kana Kaklayo tam hinka kai cheng kaham Kokuma tubui khiro koi man tho abona kai thon thani Chin Surima Tripura hastene joto lukurong Surima sumonayo এবং যাহাতে কায়ে মিসলিড কেবং ইয়াতে কায়ে নরব নাইদি যে বুবাগ্রা কাহাম করং খাই जों जत কাহাম করং খাই দিন ফিরং মানতে আবন বাগে যতন থানে ন সুবান
সার মহারাষ্ট্র থাকা মুসলিম মুসা তু নাই বহাই র তু থাতো খাই
অবশ্যই বারবেলি তো কোন এগ্রিমেন্ট নং যাব খুবাই তো কক বাই তুংয়া কাই ইকো যেটা এগ্রিমেন্ট নং নাই বা একর্ডিং নাই অবতনি রাইট ইন এগ্রিমেন্ট নং নাই একাই খাকলায়ো রাইট ইন এগ্রিমেন্ট তুবুই ন বুবাগ্রা Chin hasto pirogna ebong Hatay Kotor thangai Chin hasteni sobani lukurong buskango bos hanai ta seng tabo tubui mangkha obole ang srai srai kana saima
sar Hatay Kotor tabo kas khlaya mane hangasra khai tong pro kan tabo ko bong to
Hatay Kotor jara Chini tabu bo Chini waris bises kore YTF ni jara Chini sengkrag ro kai TWF ni kubang ma Chini sengkrag jigo aro tongo Eke ang koina musungo kasang-kasangai tongdi Bubagra nasing tongdi update Bubagra by nor khlai tongdi ebong lukurongno jate mislead khayate ba kono uttejonamulok kok khayate ebong kono uttejonamulok jahate kono media ro kok khayate aboni baga ang bon thane an koimun tongnai ang borno khaka ham jafaro tamnai ka kai Bubagra ne logi borok soba khlai tomoni baga sumjotona phansa abono akongno bongna kasar klanga musungta
However, it is very difficult to say which one of the rumors and internal sources could be true. What could be the reason for going Delhi will get to know in times. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chini, Khorang.